Hey, so I'm going to show you how I want these flashcards done. Um, Basically, the goal with parent functions is that you get very, very familiar with each one of them to the point where if I say quadratic function, you can tell me the equation for the quadratic function and you can tell me exactly what the graph looks like, even with like some key points that exist on that function. So we're kind of working on memorizing those right now. There are 11 of them. And you need to, again, be able to memorize the equation and the way the graph looks along with its name. So what I'm having the in-class students do, and what I'm asking you to do as well, is to start that process by making flashcards. So you could use paper, cut up into rectangles, or if you have note cards, that's great too. Here's an example. So this is one flashcard, and you're going to have one set of these where you have the name on one side, and you have the equation on the other side, okay? Name, equation. You're gonna do that for each of the 11 parent functions. Then you're gonna have a second set of flashcards with the name on one side and the graph on the other side, okay? So name, graph. You're gonna do that for each parent function. So in all, you're gonna have 22 flashcards to study, and make sure you can study them both directions. So if I say, what's the graph of the identity function look like? You should be able to describe that to me with some key points like 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, maybe some key points identified. You also should be able to look at this graph and say that's the identity function. Same goes for the other side. If I say identity, you should be able to tell me the equation is f of x equals x. Or if I say, what's this function? You should be able to tell me that's the identity function. So make sure you can go both directions with your flashcards. One other thing, the in-person students are going to be taking, short quizzes over parent functions every day starting next week, okay? And it is going to be just to help them work towards memorizing these things. I understand that you're at home and I can't watch you take every single quiz, but I'm asking you to be honest and actually try to do things the right way. I know it's very tempting when you don't have a teacher in front of you. It's very tempting to just use your notes and all your resources to help you with everything. But it really is very, very important that you memorize these functions, because a lot of stuff we're going to do in the future is going to rely on your knowledge of these topics, okay? So please be honest and try your best to do these quizzes that you're going to be doing next week. Try to do them without notes or anything in front of you, okay? You won't be taking a quiz all 5 days next week due to the number of assignments we're allowed for you. So I'll probably cut it down to 2 quizzes, but you're going to be seeing those coming through tomorrow, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.